don't mean she's not going to be there, she's going to be late, but it's a joy sharing her. She is truly a jewel to us, and just the wonderful work she's done here today. And I'm just so proud to be a part of it and really see the other side of her at this point then. So, thank you. And thank you for the World Circle Foundation. We need to do more collaboration at this point then. There's so many opportunities for us to learn. And what happens is that we just get so busy. There's so many other things going on at this point then, and we have to make a conscious effort to spend time together like this at this point then. You know, this is a message that's throughout the whole country. And what happens at this point is that we get so distracted by these things at this point is that we miss these things that are going on with it. So this is something we can make a direct impact with it. I just thank you for this opportunity to learn, and I'm assure you we're going to put it in practice in Michigan. Thank you.